A kicker on a football team scores 1 point for making an extra point and 3 points for making a field goal. The kicker makes a total of 6 extra points and field goals and scores 12 points. Write and solve a system of equations to find the number of extra points and field goals. First, you want to use a verbal model to write a system of equations. The first equation is going to be the number of extra points x plus the number of field goals y equals the total number of kicks. The second equation is going to be the points per extra point times the number of extra points x plus the points per field goal times the number of field goals y equals the total number of points. So equation 1 is x plus y equals 6. And equation 2 is 1x plus 3y equals 12. Or we could write this as x plus 3y equals 12. Now we want to graph each equation. Before we do this, let's put both equations in slope-intercept form. This makes equation 1 y equals negative x plus 6. And equation 2 y equals negative 1/3 x plus 4. To graph the equation y equals negative x plus 6, graph the y-intercept at 0, 6, and use a slope of negative 1, which means you move down 1 unit for every 1 unit you move to the right to find another point. Now draw a line connecting the 2 points. To graph the equation y equals negative 1/3 x plus 4, graph the y-intercept at 0, 4, and use the slope of negative 1/3, which means you move down 1 unit for every 3 units you move to the right to find another point. Now draw a line connecting these 2 points. Next, we want to estimate the point of intersection. This is where the 2 graphs intersect. Here, we can estimate this to be the point 3, 3. Now we want to check our point. First, let's check the point in equation 1. X plus y equals 6. Plugging in our point, we need to check that 3 plus 3 equals 6. Evaluating 3 plus 3, we get 6 equals 6, and our solution checks out. Next, let's check the point in equation 2. X plus 3y equals 12. Plugging in our point, we need to check that 3 plus 3 times 3 equals 12. Evaluating 3 times 3, we need to check that 3 plus 9 equals 12. Evaluating 3 plus 9, we get 12 equals 12, and our solution checks out. So the solution is 3 extra points and 3 field goals.